I need help. Please send someone to the pond on the old highway. He's still down there. I think he's hurt.
He's breaking in. Please hurry. I don't know where they are.
Ma'am, stay on the line. We have units en route to your location now.
Giant fish attacked. Dog swallowed.
Dried pond. Mud. Large animal. Victim still alive.
These zones are too deep, Captain. We risk losing an officer.
The suction is massive.
We should approach from the north bank. It's shallower there.
2 of you handle the mud entry. Sanchez, you're on the spreader. Williams, the cage. Move out.
Two minutes out. We hit the main entrance hard. Secure the perimeter, then move inside. Stay focused.
Be advised, subject last seen submerging deeper into mud. Possible movement detected.
Faster!
I tried, Captain. I really tried.
Easy, easy. We're here now. It's all right, just breathe.
Tell me what happened. He's right there, in the mud.
Slow down, look at the depth right here. Start probing, carefully. Secure the perimeter along the path. Bring the cage forward. Roger that. Perimeter secure. Brace for impact! Hold the line! Oh. Get that spreader ready now! Get the net ready! Use the spreader now! Watch the head, watch the head! Watch the tail! Get the spreader on him now! Hold him steady. Don't let it turn. Keep that spreader tight. He's moving again.
We got him. Hold steady.
We got him!
He's all right.
Good job, everyone. We got him.
We'll take him from here, Captain.
Easy, boy.
Let's get this mask on.
Vitals stabilizing. Preparing the IV.
We've got you now. Everything is going to be all right. Vitals are stable. Securing the neck strap now.
Torso strap is tight. Ready for transport.
Okay, lift on 3.
All right, pull tight. Dig your feet in. Red, heave.
On 3, ready. 1, 2, 3, pull! All right, push hard now. Keep it steady, almost there.
Watch the lock, engage it now.
Relocation successful.
Sensors are attached. Looks like we have stabilization. Heart rate is steady now, Doctor. There we go, all secured. Good dog. Nice deep breaths now.
He is doing much better now, and we were able to stabilize him.